Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Running on Caffeine and Chaos. I'm Krista, and as promised, this is the top of the fridge clean with me. It's going to be a nice short one, and if anybody's fridge looks like mine does at the moment, feel free to put this on and clean along with me. Thanks guys. A peach pit. Take very long to empty everything off of there. The part that's going to take a little bit is to go through everything, but I'm also just going to clean off the top of the fridge with the Method Surface and Glass Cleaner. This is just something that I feel works really good. We have a black stainless fridge, and the sides and top tend to get a little fingerprinty, and this has been the best stuff that we've found to kind of keep fingerprints at bay or just not leave streaks on there after we're all done cleaning. So if you guys are looking for a good cleaner. This one also in a previous video, I had to laugh, but it actually, it smells like Listerine to me, which is not a bad smell. Is all cleaned off. I brought everything over to the counter here, so we're going to go through all of this stuff here, and especially the stuff in this basket. It's completely full of junk. Okay, so that didn't take long at all, and I have the different piles for where they're going to go. The owl and the container and the fire hydrant are all going to go back up on top of the fridge, because I just prefer that they're out of the reach of little hands that could break them. And then there's a little jar of candy here and some coins in there that I just want to go through and probably honestly toss the candy because it's probably from Halloween still. And then there's a few things back here like the cat treats that we're just going to keep in the kitchen. I might actually put them in a drawer. They've been out for forever. We don't feed them treats terribly often, so I think they're going to go in a drawer. And then we have just the basement stuff down here. Okay, so that is it for the top of the fridge clean. And I just wanted to thank everybody again for tuning into my channel here, Running on Caffeine and Chaos. And if you ever have questions or any input about any of my videos, I am brand new to this, so I would love to hear input from anybody. Just leave comments on the YouTube video here, or let me know if you'd like to see different content, or if you'd like to see more involved stuff, shorter videos, longer videos, anything. So any advice is good advice. But again, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this, go ahead and give it a like and a subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Bye.